Hello people off the internet. If you have one of these, you might be interested in how to attach this. Yeah, it's beeping because it's a bit close to me. Let's get it back a bit. Okay, so I'm going to try and get this attached to the bike. First thing we're going to do today though is replace my mirror. I had one of these, I got it on eBay, it's like a £5 and it's great, and I'm gutted that I accidentally snapped my last one. Here's what it looks like. Just need an Allen key, which I've got in my tool set. I'm going to take the old one out, this one back in first. Job's a good one. So to mount your controller, the first thing you're going to need is a pack of these. You can get these on eBay or Amazon. They're like, you can get a full pack of different sort of GoPro bits and pieces for about 12 to 25 quid, depending on what you want and need. And then it'll come with these. So obviously you want to glue that to your controller, glue the cap release on top of that because it's obviously two-sided. Next thing you'll need then is a sort of release, quick release, something you can mount to your vehicle. Obviously mine is a bike today, and what I have is one of these. I got this on Amazon. It's aluminium, and why I got this one is because you can control it 360. Hear it? You can control it 360. So if your handlebars are oddly shaped or angled or something, you can get this in straight and then just turn the controller to match your viewing angle. Set this a couple of days ago, haven't used it yet, haven't had the balls to try it. The weather's been shite, so we're going to give it a go today. I'm going to take the old cheap version of this off my bike because I wanted this one because it's not angled right. I don't want to put more attachments on or anything else like that. Just wanted to do something quick and simple. So without further ado, let's put all of these things.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's never easy, is it? I thought it'd be simple, sticking that and that on the controller and then using a quick release to flick it off and on the bike mount. But no, because the bike mount basically has 3 pins. The quick releases have 3 pins. And 3 pins and 3 pins just don't go. What a pain in the fecking arse. What I'm going to do is I've got those goosenecky type quick release mounts. These are the short ones. And I've got one, actually it's on that camera. I've got a longer one. I'm going to have to just shave the bolt off using a power tool of some description, really. Or even just a hacksaw. I'll just need to get a hacksaw. Why is it not easy? Why? This seems to work. I think we've solved it. The controller on the handlebars is quite stable. I think the only rocking element is from the quick release lock actually. There's a bit of a gap. I'm doing 11 miles an hour. And now it wants to return to base. It's a bit shit. Change the battery. Whoa. That'll do nicely. I've got a spare. Let's give that a go. I'm hoping this battery's charged. And we're in the air again. Bring it behind me. Change the angle of the camera. Track my fat ass. Active track. Parallel. Go. Let's give you a nice view. Let's take it round that way. Oh, there's no trees. Oh well. Let's take it further away from me. Oh, wrong setting. Backwards. Let's get a bit. There we go. You want to see a bit of that foil. I think we're good height wise. And off we go again before I get attacked by flies. Ugh. Come on, keep up. 17 minutes of flight time on there. This is lovely. What a great day to do this as well. Let's get the top camera on. Yes, have some cameras. A lot of crows. Still being tracked. Doing a good job. Believe it or not, this track is at the end of my road. I'm going to take you out to the wreck. There's an aircraft, the Vaughan aircraft I believe it's called. I'll find some more details on it. But let's stop that active track. Let's take you off the mount so you can probably see. Let's take you over. Super impressed with the tracking. There's the drone up there. So let's take her out to this I hadn't hit record on the second fucking flight. I'm a gimp. Oh well. Where are we? So that's me heading back home now. Adjusted my little mirror. It wasn't just in the right alignment. Happy with the botch job, to be honest. The hacksawing needed to be done. The controller is sitting perfect. I'll show you what everything looks like now. Dismantled. So that's my Pocket 2 holder, and that's obviously the quick release with the controller removed. Still pretty tidy. And then I've got my phone bag and bits and pieces, basically just holds batteries. And there's my little rinky dinky mirror. Very happy with it. So I'm gonna head home, start editing this, hopefully have it online within the week. But it's lovely here today. Cloudy, as feckin' usual. This has been the shittest summer ever. But until next time, and we'll do a little review on this bike that I've had now for a little over 2 months. Have to say I do like it. Some teething problems with it to begin with. If you've read my blog, there's a link to that in the description below. And if you've liked what you've seen, consider subscribing as we explore, tour, get pissed, chill out, walk dogs, all the normal shit people do living between a home and a motorhome and pissing about on e-bikes. and drones. And I'll show you some websites that maybe if you've got a bit of drone photography footage you want to piss around with, we'll look at those as well in the future. How you can make a couple of quid from your little mini drones and stuff. So until next time, I'm going to stop waffling, start pedaling. It's a long way home. Love you guys, bye!